MamoPay has quickly emerged as one of the leading payment gateways, offering businesses and individuals a seamless way to manage online transactions. What sets MamoPay apart is its combination of speed, security, and affordability. Unlike traditional gateways, MamoPay charges lower transaction fees, typically around 1.5% per transaction, compared to competitors that can range between 2.5% and 3%. This cost efficiency makes it especially attractive for small and medium-sized businesses looking to maximize revenue while keeping overheads low. In terms of security, MamoPay employs advanced encryption and real-time fraud monitoring. Users can rest assured that all transactions are protected against unauthorized access. Features like two-factor authentication and tokenization ensure that both merchant and customer data remain safe, aligning with global standards for online payment security. Integration is another area where MamoPay shines. The platform supports a wide variety of e-commerce systems, mobile apps, and custom websites. Its API is developer-friendly, allowing for quick implementation without significant technical hurdles. This flexibility ensures that businesses can start accepting payments almost immediately, whether through card payments, mobile wallets, or bank transfers. When compared to other popular gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, and Flutterwave, MamoPay's user experience is more straightforward. It minimizes the number of steps for checkout, reducing cart abandonment rates and improving conversion. While some competitors offer similar features, MamoPay combines all of them into a single, efficient package with transparent pricing. For businesses that prioritize cost-effectiveness, security, and ease of integration, MamoPay provides a compelling alternative to more established gateways. Its growing adoption across multiple industries highlights its reliability and performance. Choosing MamoPay can save businesses hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually while providing the same, if not better, level of service as larger, more expensive platforms.